All right, woohoo! Welcome, internet and email gangsters. This is Mark, and hopefully, in this video, I'm going to be able to explain to you what are solo ads, and I'll go a little bit deeper than that, okay? Thanks for clicking and stay on, okay? Some good stuff to come. So, firstly, I've already done a full case study where I use my own money and use a platform called Traffic Zest. And as you can see, all of these videos are one after the other, after the other, after the other. Now, this could easily be a full digital product if I was to sell these videos as part of a training, but they're for free on my YouTube channel. So, you can check them out. Actually, what I will do, which is probably easier, is put a link to an article that I created about what are solo our solo ads, a trusted source of traffic. So basically, what are solo ads? And I talk here about a lot to do with solo ads. There's several videos on there. And at the bottom as well, I've put some people that I trust and buy from. And that's going to answer one of our questions. All right, so let me jump to it. So, what are solo ads? Solo ads are email traffic. Simple as that. You can go to Google, set up an ad, and pay money for that ad to run, and maybe try to get subscribers and sales, or you can cut all that out and you can go to somebody or sign up to a platform and buy emails from that person. So email, if you're buying solo ads, they can start at like 30 cents all the way up to over $1.50. Okay, so that's a big difference. So just think about that. And that's what it is. You're buying emails from somebody else who has a big list, obviously, and they're offering you these emails for a cost. Okay. Next question. Where do I buy them? Okay, if you click the link below, I've put a list of people that I trust and use, and you can also check out the Traffic Zest platform that I still use as well. And I've done a full case study on it, so I won't go on more about that. You can also go to Facebook, put in solo ads, and you'll find lots of Facebook groups. I would recommend be careful with that. Also, as well, if you have people hitting you up on Facebook or email, usually they're not to be trusted. If somebody can't sell their solo ads, through the usual channels, then they're more likely to spam you through Facebook because they can't sell them. Okay? So, next question. Why would someone sell their emails? Why would somebody sell their emails that they have that they could make money with? Okay, this is a question that's interesting, and it's a question that I've changed my opinion on. I used to be the biggest advocate, and I'd tell all my students, anybody who would listen to me on the courses that I made, don't buy solo ads. They're absolutely shit. Don't buy solo ads. Think about it. If you have a big email list, why would you sell those leads for 50 cents or $1 when you could get that person to buy something for $1,000 or more? So I was always an advocate and say to everybody, don't buy them, because to me it didn't make sense. But solo ads have changed over the years, and I mentioned that in the article below. I talk about it. So the question was, why would somebody sell them? Well, sometimes people just have an overflow of traffic. Yes, they do. Some people have so much traffic left over. I'll give you a quick example. Let's say that you're running a webinar. Okay, let's say you're a big name and you're running a webinar. Now, you have an opt-in. If people want to watch this webinar or free training, maybe 500 people, 1,000 people put their name in to watch this free training webinar, and at the end only 100 people buy. All right, that means you're left with 900 people who did not buy. So maybe that's where some of these emails come from. Now, like I said, you need to be careful where you buy them, because I know for a fact I actually saw a course not that long ago, and it was called Solo Ad Email Arbitrage or something like that. And what it did was it taught you to sell clicks for $1.50, make a nice page, that looked like they were the best leads ever. And then you would go, when somebody ordered, you would go and buy the cheapest leads you could find for 30 cents and, send the person that, and you keep the extra. So be careful, all right? Be careful who you buy from. Again, check out this article that I put on my website. It's straight to the point, and the full traffic zest case study series is, it's a no BS thing, which is what you're going to get in this video. So keep watching. I might even insult some people in this by accident. So where are we? Why would someone sell them? Just because they have too much traffic, or because maybe they're actually, they're running Google ads to get leads, and then those leads they're paying 10 cents for, and they decide I'm going to sell them for, whatever, 50 cents, a dollar. Okay? That's an honest way to do it, I would say. Right. How do you know if they are working? Well, firstly, you're going to set up a landing page, which you've probably seen before. Something like, get my amazing cool software for free, and then enter your email. That's a landing page, all right? And I'm not going to show you them, go into details about them. Again, you can check that out on my website below, and the videos on that page. So how do you know if they're working? Well, you know that they're working if people are going to your landing page and putting their email in, okay? Now, people say that a good opt-in rate is between 30, minimum 30%, 50 up to 50 or 60%. I'm not happy unless I get a 50% opt-in rate. That's just me. But that depends on your landing page, what you have written there, how interesting it is. And you can learn a lot by watching my full case study. So that's how you know that they're working. Now, how do you know if they're really working? So yes, you might have bought 200 clicks and have 100 people on your list. But if they're not interacting or they're not buying anything from you, then they're garbage. What's the point? If they're not buying anything, not interacting, they're rubbish. Okay, so that's how you know if they are working or not, is because if they're opting in and then either interacting, if that's what you decide to do, or buying from you. That's how you know that they're working. Next question. Forget about bonuses. This is where it gets a bit rough, all right? So when I do a review for the people who sign up, like when I offer a digital product to the people who sign up through my website or have bought one of my other products, what I will always do is I will create a full written review with images, with a 10 to 20 minute review video. It's a whole review. At the bottom, I will offer some bonuses, and then I'll have the link so that people can buy. Now, those are the people usually on my newsletter who have bought some of my digital products or who are students. I will send them to this type of page. So when I say forget about bonuses, I mean with solo ads, you can buy them. Remember, you're buying these. These people want to be on this list, okay? It's not like they're forced on there. It's not like they're scraped off of Google. They want to be on there, or they should want to be on there. So you're buying those emails. It's pretty much up to you what you do with them. So you can forget about the website, the nice written review, the nice video review, and you can just send them, boom, once they opt in, directly to a sales page, your affiliate link, but a sales page. And then you can email them 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times a day with, offering them the same product with different email titles. Now that's one way to do it. That's why I say forget about bonuses, okay? The next one is very much related. You can forget about interaction if you want. Now remember, you can do it completely differently, and you can try to interact with people using something called a bridge page, which is when after people opt in, the next page they go to is maybe like a website or a little video of you on screen saying, "Hi, thank you for opting in. I'm so happy to meet you. I will always be honest with you. Thank you for joining this community." Blah 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 blah. That's a bridge page. Now you can forget about that if you want to, because you're paying for these leads. Okay, you're paying for these emails, and you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just get them to opt in, send them to the sales page. Boom. They don't buy it, then just keep emailing them until they buy it, and then eventually they'll either unsubscribe from your autoresponder, or you'll go to your list and you'll clean your list, and you can tell who has opened, when they've opened, when they last opened, when they clicked, if they click, and you can just go, okay, these people are not clicking, they're not opening, clear them off your list, buy more traffic, buy more emails, buy more solo ads. All right, that's what I mean about the interaction. Give them what they want. These people, as I just said, okay, and I hate to say it like this, but it's true. These people are on an email list that is about making money online, okay? And they know that they're on an email list about how to make money online, or they've opted in to learn how to make money online. So it's not like you're spamming these people, these customers, potential customers, and you can just give them what they want, which is a way to make money online. So that's what I'm kind of repeating myself, but you can just get them to opt in, send them straight to the sales page. You don't even need to use your real name. You can be anonymous completely. You can make up a cool name for yourself, and these people will never need to know your name. Now, is it immoral? Is that illegal? No, it's not at all. It's not. So you're paying you're paying for these people, you're paying for these leads, and these people know what they are getting into. Okay, they signed up to be on this email list in one way or another, and sometimes they don't want to interact, they don't want to see your cool website, they don't want to check out your videos, they just want to see cool sales pages about how to make money online. So boom, give them what they want. All right, and that's it. I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching. You're all awesome, and remember to check the description for my huge article, and this video will probably be on that article by the time you watch this. Take care. See you soon.